Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your location on Craigslist. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in craigslist.org and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Craigslist website. Now click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password if you wish to log into your account. Now when you are inside the homepage, the Craigslist website will automatically redirect to your closest location. But if this location is not correct, then you can change this at any time from the homepage using the location option at the right side. If you see underneath the language drop-down menu, you will be able to find the different locations that are available. If you don't find your location immediately, you can click on the CL Worldwide option, and from here you can choose your continent, and following this you can also choose your country specifically. Just click on the country that you wish to set to and you will be taken into the specific website for the chosen country. You may be redirected to the closest location by the website automatically, so you can just use the various different locations that are available within your selected country and you will be redirected to this location's website right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your location on Craigslist. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.